What is up guys, this is Joram. Welcome back to my channel, The Easy Access. In this video, let's have a quick unboxing and a camera review on the iPhone 12 Pro. By the way, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates on my video. Thank you. Let us have a quick unboxing on the iPhone 12 Pro. Medyo natagalan po tayong gumawa ng video ng smartphone na to, but I think it's never too late. So there you go, kinuha na po natin yung plastic niya. And as you can see, ito na po yung bagong box ng mga smartphone nila. Mas maliit siya compared sa dating box ng smartphone nila. And we got here an iPhone 12 Pro Pacific Blue with 128GB. Kasama naman po sa box natin is of course the iPhone 12 Pro and the USB-C to Lightning cable. The power adapter and headphones are sold separately. Naku po. And by the way, if you got some comments and suggestions, feel free to comment in the comment section down below. So sa mga may power adapter dyan and may headphones, walang problema. And sa mga bago pa lang sa iPhone, of course, you need to buy a power adapter. So yun po yung laman ng small box natin. May kasamang smartphone, may kasamang lightning cable, may kasamang ejector tool pin, may kasamang stickers, and may konting paperwork. There you go. And finally, let's try to power this on. By the way, yung power button nga po pala niya is side-mounted. That's for your quick unboxing. Medyo natagalan po tayong gumawa ng video and finally, nandito na po si iPhone 12 Pro. Let's focus more on the camera review. So for our variant, we got here a Pacific Blue with 128GB. Ayos! So let's have a quick look on the box. So as you can see, medyo manipis at maliit na po talaga yung box natin compared sa dating box ng mga iPhone. They said it could help the environment and it could also help their logistics. Yun po yung sabi ni Marques Brownlee. That's it. In this video nga po pala, we're going to focus more on the camera. Now, let's have a quick specs on the triple camera setup. First, we got here a 12 megapixel main camera shooter with 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and of course, you got here a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. There you go. Since magpo-focus po tayo sa triple camera setup ng iPhone 12 Pro, we're going to try this with a picture and of course the video. We are also going to test the optical image stabilization ng iPhone 12 Pro. Of course, we're going to try the front-facing camera with a vlog test and with a cinematic video. And up next is the camera test. See you! This is taken from the main camera, the 12 megapixel lens. As you can see, sharp and detailed yung mga na-capture natin na photos. The next one is taken from the 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. And when it comes to dynamics, excellent po yung mga kuha ng iPhone 12 Pro. Subject to background separation naman is 10/10. And isa sa mga favorite lens ko is the ultra-wide. When it comes to sharpness and detail, pang flagship level talaga si iPhone 12 Pro. And up next is the front-facing camera. Hey, what is up guys? Joram here. So, finally, I'm currently testing the front-facing camera ng iPhone 12 Pro. So, I am doing this while walking and as you can see, sobrang sharp and detailed yung mga video and nako-capture ng front-facing camera ng iPhone 12 Pro. And I am also testing the optical image stabilization ng front-facing camera niya. So, there you go. This is your front-facing camera. And sa mga content creators, sa mga vloggers dyan, pwede po to sa inyo. Again, this is your front-facing camera, iPhone 12 Pro. And this time sa video naman po, this is shoot in 1080p 30 frames per second video resolution. When it comes to the optical image stabilization or the stability of the camera, wala po akong masabi, sobrang excellent po ng mga footage niya. Next video naman po is your 4K 30 frames per second video resolution. And still, it is supported with the optical image stabilization. Walang pinagbago and hindi po siya shaky. And I am shooting this video while doing the normal walk. Here's another video for the 4K 30 frames per second resolution. And by the way, quick shout out naman kay Baby Mayor and sa wife ko. Thank you for helping me. And with moving subjects, wala pong problema yung iPhone 12 Pro natin. And this time, here are the sample shots from the night mode. This is your ultra wide with the night mode. When it comes to the details and color ng night mode natin, excellent pa rin po yung mga kuha and shot niya. These photos are taken from Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental, Philippines. Next is the video in low light.
So this is the rear camera in low light. So let's check kung okay ba yung stabilization niya at yung color niya. So there you go. This is your iPhone 12 Pro at low light. So again, we are here at Boulevard, Dumaguete City. This is shot in 1080p 30 frames per second video resolution. So there you go. So checking also the video stabilization. So okay yung video stabilization niya. Hey, what's up? Joram here. This is the front facing camera of the iPhone 12 Pro. So this is shot in 1080p 30 frames per second video resolution. So ganito po yung setup niya. So we're here at Boulevard. Say what's up. So okay yung autofocus niya, auto face detection. So again, this is the front facing camera of the iPhone 12 Pro. We're here at Boulevard, testing out the front facing camera. Okay naman yung stabilization niya, maganda. So there you go. This is the front facing camera of the iPhone 12 Pro at 1080p 30 frames per second video resolution. So if you got some comments and questions about the phone, feel free to comment down below. And again, we're here at Boulevard, Dumaguete City, Philippines. So that's it. Let's try the 4K 30 frames per second video resolution ng iPhone 12 Pro. So again, this is your iPhone 12 Pro 4K 30 frames per second in low light. And let's try to check the video stabilization. Okay, let's run a bit.
Sana po nakatulong yung camera review natin ng iPhone 12 Pro for content creators and for vloggers. For more videos like this, don't forget to hit the like button, of course, the subscribe button with the notification bell. Again, this is Joram of the Easy Access. See you in my next one. There you go.